Hello guys and welcome back to TierSpec TV. We are proud to announce that GetOffroad.com is now sponsoring the Creeper, our Land Rover Series 3 RB25 build. And right here we have a huge box, and this is the first shipment from them. And a few weeks ago we sent them a wish list of things we need for the Creeper build at the moment. And this is the first package they sent over, which was a little bit bigger than we were expecting. And as a result, we thought it would be quite good fun to open it, because although we did send them a list of things we need, we're not actually sure what's in here. So
they just said they took about half of them.
Did they?
Yeah.
I can't remember what they said. But anyway, thank you very much to GetOffroad.com, and let's get on with opening this package and find out what is in here. You have the knife, so you may do the honours to begin with. We have more boxes inside the box. What is that? Is that the wing?
I think that must be the wing, yeah.
Let's get it. This is like Christmas has come early.
Yeah. Looks like...
What's this? What's this? Oh, tank rigger.
Oh, rigger.
Yeah, rigger.
We need to replace.
Cool. So that's a thing. We have some metal. So let's put this down here on the paper. Ah, this is the LED light kit. I'm going to stop reading the labels. It's not fun.
I want to get a knife for you too.
Sorry?
Let me take that knife.
Sure. Okay, I'll open this one because we already know what this is.
Hold on, then we're going to see it, but I need backup opening all these boxes. I don't know where to store all this stuff.
Yes, GetOffroad.com. If you can send us just a shed to put this stuff in, that'd be good, because we don't have anywhere to store all of it. There's so many things here. Let's see. Oh, it is a wing.
It's ABS plastic as well, so you can't dent it.
Oh.
Like when you normally see like down the side of them that's completely dented, and you can see like the paintwork going like that.
Yeah, I wish that.
Yeah, these ones will just always be straight. Like, they'll just bend.
Yeah.
You put the proper still onto them.
And then here we have the LED light kit. So we're replacing all of the lights with the LEDs. It's exactly the same kit. We both have this kit on now, don't we? So it's exactly the same as the kit we've already put on my TD5, and this is V8. But we did a video of us fitting this to my TD5. If you want to go and watch that.
We've got the number plate light.
Alright. Number plate light, fog light, reverse light, and the normal lights here.
Nice. And that's what we started off saying. We could use one of those kits when they came to us and said, we want to sponsor your build. And we went like, all right, we can use that.
We could use a light kit, and then they're like, anything else?
Yeah.
And then Nissa just wrote this long list, and then that's what has translated into this box.
Yeah.
I will put this down on the ground here then.
Because at first it didn't have much on their website. They said like, go on our website and see what you want.
Yeah.
And there wasn't really a lot. And then a few weeks after they went like, we've just updated with 6,000 more parts. And I just went in and was completely blown away by all the stuff. They got everything cool.
Yeah.
Thing you're just standing there needing. Then I updated my list.
So like Nissa says, GetOffroad.com now has pretty much anything you could want for a Land Rover on their website. So if you're looking for Land Rover parts, go to GetOffroad.com.
The website is really easy to manage around, just like which vehicle you want to get parts and then which part of it.
Oh, also, that's a good point. Many of you, I get so many questions, or the same question from many of you, asking where I got the LED halo lights for my TD5 Defender, which many of you are very fond of. And the answer is I got them from GetOffroad.com. I got it from the GetOffroad.com stand at LRO last year. So they also sell the LED halo lights if any of you are looking for a set of those. Then, oh, cool. This is, you know Airfix kits?
Yeah.
You know, the plastic plane kits. It looks like one of these. We've just got all the bits, and it's the same colour as well. The flat grey before you painted it. Have a look. What's it?
That one's metal.
Oh.
Very nice.
That's so cool. I'm getting excited now. It's going to be like a big model kit.
We could pretty much do like the whole wings and the rear bit of it now in the winter. Another tank out rigger. Two of these, we need pretty much to replace all the outriggers on them. But the frame itself is very good condition. The outriggers are just usually shot. Another one, I think we've got 3 of them now. 2 for the tank and 1 for the other side. I think you know what this is. It's another one.
Oh, what's this? This is... I know what it is. It's the rear panel.
Thing.
So we've got the front light panel, the rear light panel.
Because that's the one's completely shut on it, like the rear bit.
Is that the one that's dented in?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Inwards, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, we've got a new fan blade for the heater. Up here.
More paper. More paper. More paper.
There's the last one. That one's probably another one of those, I think.
Yeah, it probably is. It's cardboard, paper.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Really good.
So that is the first shipment from getoffroad.com. Huge thank you to them for sponsoring this build that has not even really started yet.
No.
Or bits of it have. We got the engine at least. So big thanks to them as well for putting their faith in 2 guys who are setting out on a very ambitious project. And they've just sent us a ton of stuff. And that's hopefully the first of many shipments to come.
Yeah.
Hopefully we've got more bits to come as well, because there are many, many, many things we need. So we will see what the future holds for that. But
this will get us started pretty.
yeah, this is a good start, for sure, a good start. So like I said, go check out getoffroad.com for plenty or pretty much any Land Rover part that you need. And we look forward to working with them more on this project in future. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and hit subscribe if you want to see more content like this from TSpec TV, and we will see you in the next video.